Hi everyone. Right, okay, so this is a wonderful lesson that uses Google Vids and it's really exciting. I've done one other lesson with this and you can check that out where you're putting yourself into a presentation. But what we're going to do this time is we're going to record ourselves and then present around it. So I'll show you exactly what this is. Now, as a teacher, if you're a teacher watching this, then you can watch this video in the corner here and that will then show you how you can set this up in Google Classroom. But I've set this up already. I've created an assignment and I'm logged in as a student. So what I can do, I can see here, there is the assignment that I've actually been assigned. So let's click on that. And then in the corner here, I've got my Google Vids video ready to go. So I can click on that because my teacher has assigned it to every student in the classroom. So let's click on that. Okay, so this is my blank Google Vids video. Now, let's start adding to this. Now, as a teacher, what you might want to do is get the children to create their script first. So using maybe Google Classroom to send out a Google Doc and they can start writing their script. I've actually got one here that I created earlier. So this is about Romania and I'm taking the role of a child called Andre. So this is the script I'm going to use for my video. So we're going to do scene by scene. So you can have multiple scenes within a Google Vids video. Now, let's click on record. Now it's asking for my script. Now this is where it gets very cool. So we're going to go to the example script and I'm going to take my first sentence here for my first scene. Let's copy that, Command C or Control C on a PC. And then let's go back to my video and then Command V or Control V on a PC to actually paste it in. Right, so let's now press record. Now, when you first do this, you may find you get some messages asking for the permission for the browser to allow your microphone and your camera. You must allow those, okay? So click on allow and then you can use the microphone and the camera. Now, on here, you've got various different options. It's set to rolling. That means it's like an auto cue. All right, it's like what the newsreaders use in their studios when they're reading the news. They read it from the camera. All right, so, but you can also choose read along, which is like karaoke. So it highlights the words as you go along. And then you've got manual as well. I'm going to leave it as rolling. So when you're ready to record, we can press record. And when we're finished, we press stop. And I'm going to point. All right. And that's important. So you don't have to, but that will become clear as we start doing this video. So let's go. Hi, my name is Andre and I want to tell you about my amazing home, Romania. Okay, so we can preview that. Hi, my name is Andre. Okay, that works well. All right. I can then insert it. If I want to do it again, I can press this restart button and it will do, you can record it again. So I'm just going to insert that. If I want to trim it, so if I find that, hi, my name is Andre and I want to tell you about, and I want to trim the end. So let's go to the end. My amazing home, Romania. So there, I want to maybe just trim that in just a little bit. So I can trim things on my timeline there. When you've got a blue bar around it, that's the scene that you've actually got selected. And also, you've also got here where it says add captions. I'm just going to put the X up here, but if you wanted to add captions and it would automatically put the captions in. I'm going to turn that off. So let's add a brand new scene. Okay. So scene 2, let's go back to my script and let's take the next sentence. So I'm going to choose this sentence here all the way up to brown bear. Copy, so Command C or Control C and then Command V or Control V to paste this in. Okay, so there's my script. So let's start recording. Here we go again. We press on the record and remember to press the record again to stop. It is a beautiful place with huge green mountains called the Carpathians, where you might even spot a brown bear. Okay, so let's insert that. I'm going to cut out the end of it there because I think if we go here, it looks like, yeah, that bit there. I want to cut. I just want to trim that to about there, like so. Right, these buttons here are transitions. So you can add these transitions and you can do some spinny things, slide, scale, flicker. So there's lots of different ones you can use it. I'm going to leave it as it is at the moment. Okay, I'm going to just close these down because I don't want them in. And then we're going to create a new scene. And this one, we'll go back to our script. And let's take this sentence here. In the winter, all the way up to Black Sea. So I'm going to Command C or Control C. Let's close the transitions, press record, Command V or Control V, and then we can click on Start Recording. Okay, are we ready? Here we go. In the winter, everything turns white with snow, but in the summer, I love to go to the beaches by the Black Sea. Okay, so let's insert that. Okay, now what I could do is go through this all now and record it all. But I want to show you one other thing that's really good. Notice I was pointing when I was doing the video. I'm going to close this again. And let's go back to our first one. Now, in this particular clip, I want to add a map of Romania. So I'm going to go over to here, the stock. Let's click on that. And search all stock. So I'm going to go to search images, stock images. And let's find a map of Romania. Press return. Okay, here's a map. So let's add that map in. And then I can use the handles to make this smaller and then move it into the right place. Now, is my hand pointing? So am I pointing the right way? So let's have a look. There it is, yes. So here we go. Home, Romania. Okay, and this next one, mountains called the. So well, let's find some mountains. So Romanian mountains. Let's search for Romanian mountains. Oh, that's a nice picture. So I'm going to shrink that down and put that in the corner. So let's make it slightly smaller, like so. And then I'm going to find a brown bear. And let's choose this one. And then let's put that brown bear in the corner, like so. Now let's play the video to see what's happening. Where you might even spot a brown bear. What you could do, when I said brown bear there, Carpathians, where you might even spot. Right, so I'm going to split the clip. So I'm going to go right click and then I'm going to split the scene at the playhead like so. So now rather than having the bear here, I'm going to put the bear on this clip. Okay. All right. So I've deleted it from here and I put it on here. So now when I play it, it goes Carpathians, where you might even spot a brown bear. And that's put it in the right place. In the winter, I'm going to split the clip here. And in this one, I'm going to put the snow. So let's go back to my stock and snow in Romania. Let's see what that has. Let's choose that one there. Snow in Romania. So let's put that one in the corner. And then in this clip, sea, the Black Sea. So let's put beaches by the Black Sea. Let's see what that comes up with. All right, so let's choose that one here and then move that in the corner like so. All right, so we've got some real things going on there. Now, obviously, I haven't finished it because I've got a little bit more of my script to do, but you get the idea. Now, when I play that from the very beginning, hi, my name is Andre, and I want to tell you about my amazing home, Romania. It is a beautiful place with huge green mountains called the Carpathians, where you might even spot a brown bear. In the winter, everything turns white with snow, but in the summer, I love to go to the beaches by the Black Sea. One other thing that I'm going to show you is where you can go to text. You can click on text and you can add some text in here. So I'm going to add this text in here and let's change this. My video of Romania. Okay, so now I've got this lovely title in my first scene. All right, so I can play that. Hi, my name is Andre, and I want to. I can add other text if I want to. You've also got shapes down here, so you can add shapes into it as well. So there's lots of different things that you can add within the Google Vid. Now I can play that full screen if I wanted to, like so, and then I can play it. My name, there it is. All right. Or what I can do is I can go up to the share. I can share it with people. I could download it, but to be honest, it will be in your Google Classroom. So the teacher will be able to see all of the class's videos because it's been created in Google Classroom. So that is how you can use Google Vids really effectively to create really good videos where you do the video first and you place the presentations on top of the video. Check out the videos on the screen now. There's one that will take you how to put yourself into a Google Vid once you've done the presentation. So importing a Google Slides presentation, then putting yourself in it. And there's one there that will show you as a teacher how to set this up in Google Classroom. Good luck.